Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about winterizing your grain auger, your conveyor, anything that has to do with grain handling, even your grain vacs. So we're getting colder. First thing you should do is drain whatever gas you have left in the gas tank and put it into something else that you're going to burn it out of quickly, and put fresh gas in there, and maybe even a little bit of gas line antifreeze. Reason why is the hot cold freeze thaw on the fuel tanks creates lots of condensation, and a lot of times that's built up in the tank and doesn't get burnt off through the summer for whatever reason. So drain what's left out, put fresh stuff in there, fill it up as full as you can get it, get some gas line antifreeze in there, and then your gas system is good to go. Also run it so that you run whatever might be in the fuel line out, burn that out so that you've got good gas with gas line antifreeze in your fuel pump and in your fuel injection system. Change oil if you need to, 0-40 or something like that, whatever you're using for your cold weather temperatures. Something that's a little bit lighter viscosity so that the engine turns over a little bit better. But talk to your oil supplier on what matches with what you're using right now. Along with that, make sure that you have your cold weather kit installed now. So that's that black hose that comes off of the muffler where it's drawing warm air up through the exhaust to warm it before it gets into your intake on your engine. Important to have that unhooked for the summer. Very important to have that hooked up at this time of the year from now until spring as it gets cooler and cooler. Visually inspect if you need to replace air filter, or perhaps just tap it out or gently blow it out. And then go through and make sure that your belt is tight, that your gearbox has got enough oil, and then just run test all of that stuff. Like, check your battery, see how the engine turns over. If it's pretty slow, it's a pretty good time to start looking at changing that battery out, or maybe it just needs a little water in the cells and a good charge, but check that out. This all applies over to your conveyor as well. And then last, give everything a good shot of grease and run it to get that grease incorporated. Sometimes some operations run a little bit lighter grease for winter time. Not a bad idea, but even just regular grease, as long as it's got some grease in there. If you have any questions, drop us a line. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.